So what we have here is a 2001 Crown Victoria, and we need to swap out the parking brake switch. And here's the hood, and here's the parking brake. It's the release, and what we need to do is just remove the switch. Now what you're going to need first is one of these guys, because there are two. There's this plate here that we need to get out of the way so we can get to the switch, and it's got two. Let me see where they are. Here's one right here, this one, and we just need to get this thing off. And there's another one. Where is that thing? Oh, there it is. See, there's another one. So we just take those out, and then we're gonna have to, just remove that and get some space in there. So let's go ahead and do that. So here it is. It's got three. You see, it's got one here at the corner, and it's got one there, and one there. And here, you see that hole right there? That's nothing more than this light right there. See? So you just twist it and it comes out of there. But you have to get your hand from underneath to do that. Okay? So that comes out. Now once you get that out of the way, now we come back over here, like so. You see? Get the light in. And what you do, and there it is. So we're just going to take this out here. We're going to unhook it right there. Okay, so you just pull that sucker out. Oh, there, like that, see? Now, what you need to do when you do this is, watch this. See, it's pressing it. You have to go like so and open it up. I mean, press it in so it's got no pressure on that switch, and then just take that little bolt off, and it looks like to me like it's like a 7mm, and put it in, and come back and just release your brake and check your, well, obviously since it's already down, it's going to be on, so you're going to have to check and make sure that the light's on. And then as soon as you go like this, then it should go off on the instrument panel, and put that black cover back on. You're all set. You don't need to do anything else except take that black cover off.